Hello and welcome. If you've applied to the University of Limpopo for the 2027 academic year, the next step is checking your application status. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your status using the official University of Limpopo portal, explain what the different application statuses mean, and show you what to do if you have trouble accessing your application. Before you begin, make sure you have the details you'll need to access your application. Depending on your application, this may include your South African ID number or passport number if you're an international applicant. If you've already been allocated a student number, keep that ready as well. You'll also need a phone or computer with a stable internet connection. To check your application status, open your web browser and visit the official University of Limpopo application status portal. The official link is ul.ac.za. Once you're on the university website, navigate to the Admissions or Application Status section and open the online status checking page. Always use the official university website to protect your personal information. Once the status page opens, enter the requested information exactly as it appears on your application. This may be your ID number, passport number, or student number, depending on the portal you're using. Double-check that all the information is correct before submitting it. After your details are verified, your current application status will be displayed on the screen. If your status shows that your application has been received, it means the University of Limpopo has successfully received your application and it is waiting to be processed. At this stage, you don't normally need to take any action. Simply continue checking your application status regularly and keep an eye on the email address you used during your application. If your application is marked as under review or pending, it means the admissions office is currently evaluating your application and supporting documents. Processing times can vary depending on the number of applications the university is handling. Continue checking your status from time to time and carefully read any emails from the university in case additional information or documents are requested. If your status indicates that outstanding documents are required, don't ignore the message. Log into your application portal and check which documents are still missing. These could include your identity document, passport, grade 11 or grade 12 results, academic transcripts, or other supporting documents. Upload clear copies of the requested documents as soon as possible to avoid delays in processing your application.